In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payhip password. If you want to update your password for security reasons, or you simply want to replace an old one with something stronger and easier for you to manage, Payhip makes the process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to enter so you can change it quickly and confidently. Start by going to the Payhip dashboard. Once you're logged in, this is the main area where you manage your store and account. From there, look for the account option and click on it. This will open the account-related menu where you can access personal and login settings. Next, click on Settings. This section contains the controls for your account preferences, including the options related to how you sign in. After that, find and click on Login Settings. This is the page where Payhip lets you manage your login details, including your password. Once you're on the login settings page, click on Edit Password. This will open the fields you need to complete in order to update your password. First, enter your current password. This is an important security step because it confirms that you're the account owner before any changes are made. After that, type in your new password. When creating a new password, it's a good idea to choose something strong and unique. Try to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed, and avoid using something too easy to guess. A password manager can also help you store it securely if needed. Next, repeat the new password in the confirmation field. This step helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. It's worth taking an extra second here to confirm both entries match exactly, because even a small difference will prevent the update from going through. Finally, click Save Settings. Once you do that, your new password should be applied to your Payhip account. After saving, it's a smart idea to remember your new login information, and if you use the same account on multiple devices, be prepared to sign in again with the updated password. And that's all it takes to change your Payhip password. As a final tip, updating your password regularly and using a strong, unique one can help keep your account more secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.